Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a truck frame. First, you need to carefully assess the damage. Look for any bends, cracks, or rust, even in hard-to-see spots. A flashlight can be very helpful here. Once you've identified the problem areas, thoroughly clean them. This means removing all rust, dirt, and any loose paint. This preparation is crucial for a successful repair, ensuring good adhesion and visibility for the next steps. Assessing the damage accurately is key. Rust is a common culprit, often leading to cracks or holes. You might also find bends or twists from impacts. Use a hammer or screwdriver to gently tap and scrape rusted spots. This helps reveal the true extent of corrosion. Based on your assessment, you'll decide if a small patch, a reinforcement plate, or even replacing an entire frame section is necessary for a safe and lasting repair.
Hey everyone, quick break from our truck frame repair. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give us a like. Your support means a lot. On another note, for those long days in the garage or on the road, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your lunch fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
When it comes to repair methods, straightening is often the first step for bent frames, using specialized machines to realign the metal. For cracks or holes, welding is a primary technique. You might cut out rusted sections and weld in new steel, or add reinforcement plates for extra strength. Always ensure proper welding techniques for a strong bond. After all structural repairs, apply a good rust-inhibiting primer and a durable paint to protect your work from future corrosion. Safety is paramount during any frame repair. Always wear protective gear like safety glasses, gloves, and a respirator, especially when grinding or welding. Good ventilation is crucial to disperse fumes. You'll need a range of tools, including an angle grinder for rust removal, a welder for structural repairs, and potentially a frame machine for straightening. Precision measuring tools are also vital to ensure everything is aligned correctly, maintaining the truck's integrity.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.